Alright everyone, we made it to Samaná! Tiago's tips.
Tiago!
We made it to the beach. Look, it's a baby coconut. Hola, yo soy Miranda y mi primo es Tiago.
Hola, soy Marco, primo de Tiago. Y estamos aquí en República Dominicana.
Tiago! This is Puerto Son in Samaná. Isn't it beautiful? We got to see the sunset. I had a lot of fun playing with my cousins. A Vespa. Just like Luca. Then we celebrated my mom's birthday at the restaurant. And we saw some live music. My mom loves the beach. Every day we took walks down the beach. There were some restaurants on the beach. And this is restaurant Luis. This restaurant had really good food. Drink the whole thing.
You could if you want to. I can help you drink it. What do you think?
I don't really like the taste.
That's okay. That's okay. We just wanted you to taste it.
I don't really like the taste.
That's all right.
I thought it was going to taste good, but I don't like the taste.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, look. Here.
And there was this big guy with a giant knife cutting open a coconut.
Like nothing.
My neck.
He looks like a professional. He was cutting a lot of them.
We've been doing it for a while.
And we enjoyed the pool. Then we went to Ross and Nelas. Then we had pizza at Casa Azul. It was very good, even though I'm not a big fan of pizza. But this pizza was great. We had pizza with ham in it, all different types of cheeses, and there was a pizza with corn on it. And after dinner, we went for some ice cream. Then we headed home. Make sure to check for part 3 of our video. Thank you for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.